The procurement manager arrives at the venue and takes notes of needed stocks for the next hotel function. When he presents that list to his finance manager, she asks him for a Proforma invoice. Don't worry. Go to hotelbazaar.com. You can use the left menu to select your search filters, such as banquet chair, aluminum, and stackable. And your choice is now a lot slimmer. Add to cart your China wares. In the upper right corner, click on button Shopping Cart. You will see your selected items. Edit the quantity. And the total will auto-recalculate. Make sure to log in with the proper credentials. Once logged in, you can again check your Proforma invoice. And a document will appear with the billing and shipping address, item description, and the summary information. Print or save a copy that you can share with your finance manager. It's that easy. So what are you waiting for? Shop now at hotelbazaar.com.